Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? 9.6, dilations. It is our last transformation of the chapter. Let's see what that dilation means. A dilation is a transformation that enlarges or reduces the shape with respect to a center by a certain scale factor. So basically you're making a shape bigger or smaller from a point, a center point. This point being anywhere, but there's our center for now. So if you wanted to enlarge something, you would act like that point is a flashlight and kind of just extend the light so that it's shining towards the object. And if you look at anything after the object, we have an enlargement, kind of like this. And then if you look anything before our object, you'll have what's called a reduction, something smaller. But this is what a dilation is. It's just enlarging something or making something reduce in size. All right, so let's do a few examples. Here we have triangle XYZ, and it says to dilate this triangle centered at the origin. So our point that we are dilating from is at the origin right here. Most of your homework problem, I think all of your homework problem, the center is going to be at the origin, and I want to dilate it to a scale factor of 1/2. So basically I want to make that triangle half the size. How do I do that? The easiest way is basically just to multiply every number by half, or divide everything by 2, depending on how you look at it. So if I multiply point x by 1/2, I should get x prime to be -3/5. If I multiply point y by 1/2, I have y prime is -3/1, and then of course z prime is -2/1. So I just halved everything. Here's what it looks like. And now we have a red triangle that is half the size of our original. All right? What happens if the center is not at the origin? Then you can't just multiply or divide to get the new shape. So for example, we have this one. Find the dilation centered at -1, 3. With a scale factor of 2. So I'm trying to make this triangle twice as big, but not from the origin, but from -1, 3. So that's where my flashlight is going to be, and I need to make it twice as big. The way you do that is you do one point at a time. Start at the center, which is here, and then you're going to go to this corner, and the way you do that is you go up 2 over 3, and it says by a scale factor of 2, so you're going to do that twice. We did that once, and let's go up 2 and then over 3, and there's our first point. Boom. And then if it says scale factor of 5, you would do that 5 times, but we're going to keep it small. And then the next point. Let me erase this. To get the next point, it looks like you're going to go down 3 and over 1. So you're going to do that twice. Down 3 and over 1. And there is our second point. I'll erase that now. And then finally, to go to our third point, you would have to go down 3 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So down 3 and over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm a little bit off my graph at 5. And so there is our new triangle, centered at -1, 3 with a scale factor of 2. That's it. That's dilation, just making it big or small by multiplying. All right, or by counting. All right, short notes. Go ahead and do your homework.